Hello and welcome to Total Telecom TV at Gigabit Copper in Brussels. I'm joined now by Paul Spruyt of Nokia. Paul, you gave a presentation here at the conference, but one question I've got for you. Is Gigabit on copper really practical?
Absolutely, Brian. Today with g.Fast we can deliver speeds up to 1 gigabit per second aggregate bitrate. However, this is on short copper. I'm speaking about some meters or tens of meters of copper, so it still requires operators to do significant investment in fiber. Still, with g.Fast, it's possible for operators to avoid the cost and the time to enter the end user, so it's very attractive.
I mean, is that the limit, or can it go even further? It seems incredible the way copper is continuing to be a vital part of these networks.
We do believe there is more potential in copper. As a matter of fact, we expect the ITU to start working on an extension of the current g.Fast standard, so an amendment to the g.Fast standard, allowing for even higher bit rates. And this is on request of operators. And one new opportunity, not the only one, but the new one is application on coax. Besides that, we are also working as Nokia. We are doing research. Bell Labs is doing research on further extensions, and we have demonstrated the possibility to offer 2 gigabit per second and even 10 gigabit per second over copper, and this is what we call xG.Fast.
Incredible. You also talked about something called V+ in your presentation. Tell me more about that.
Okay, V+ is a newcomer. It's a new technology that allows operators to offer broadband speeds of 300 megabit per second at a cost much lower than that required to take the fiber to the distribution point or fiber to the end premise with fiber to the home. V+ is mainly interesting and attractive for operators that are targeting medium length loops, and that in a scenario of fiber to the cabinet or fiber to the node.
So, of all these various technologies, which copper technologies is Nokia sort of recommending to operators?
As a matter of fact, we do support all of these technologies. We are also very active in standards, and this to ensure that these emergent technologies can be taken to the market quickly. So we do not impose any technology to the operator. The choice is with the operator, and he will make his choice based on several elements, such as what is a competitive landscape, what is a capital budget, what is the subscriber density, what are the targeted bit rates, what's the time to market, and all this makes, so the operator will use all elements to make a decision, and we can support any of these.
Okay, thank you very much for talking to us.
Okay, with pleasure. Thanks, Brian.
So a view there from one of the world's leading vendors on how they can operate us with all their copper requirements.